Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to come up with best and effective stretch marks oil that will help get rid of those stretch marks. If you want to know how I came up with this oil, continue watching. So here I have my dry plate, and this is olive oil. Take 1/2 tablespoon olive oil. So this is carrot oil, cold compressed carrot oil. I have the video of how I made this carrot oil on this channel. I'll be leaving the card in this video, so you guys go check how to make this carrot oil. So we'll be taking 1/2 tablespoon of carrot oil. This is castor oil. Take 1 teaspoon castor oil. Half tablespoon coconut oil. Two capsules vitamin E oil. Here is 6 capsules vitamin A oil. So you can get the vitamin E oil and vitamin A oil in a drugstore, okay? You can also get them in organic store. So combine the oils. In a dry clean container, using a funnel, pour in the oil. So as you guys can see, this is an easy oil you can come up with at home. The combination of these oils helps get rid of stretch mark. Like, it's very effective, okay? So you're going to apply it like you're applying your cream, okay? Apply it 3 times daily. Don't wash it off, okay? Don't wash off. Apply it and like apply in a circular motion. Massage for like 10 minutes, okay, on the affected parts, on areas you have stretch marks, okay? So like I said, as you apply it, you're going to see with time, okay, the stretch marks will fade. So this is a powerful stretch mark oil that will help get rid of those stubborn stretch marks around your tummy area or wherever you have stretch marks on your body. Okay, so that is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.